Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix mouse not working in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, you can fix this problem in just 2 minutes. You can try this method. Press Windows key plus R. Now here type dev mgmt.msc. Then press enter. So here you will see this device manager. Now use the tab. So click on tab and press down page arrow. Now here press right arrow key. Now right click and select uninstall device. Then press enter. It will ask permissions, so click on uninstalled. Again press enter. Now press Windows plus Alt plus. Now press Alt plus F4. Now here use down arrow key and select restart, then press enter. So this is the method guys, you can fix and resolve mouse not working in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching.